Shakers and groovers, how are you going today? It's so good to see you. It's summertime and we're going to do a little unboxing today. You already know what it is. Yes, it is. Finally. The Ronin S. There it is, the Ronin S. Now, hi there. I thought I would shoot this outside because it's summer, it's hot, and a lot of you guys are on the other side of the world and it's freezing cold and you're having a beautiful white Christmas. So the Ronin S, why am I excited about the Ronin S? Well, this is mechanical stabilization. This is basically a steady cam. And steady cams cost thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars when they first came out. And I always thought back in the 80s, this was some of the coolest looking footage I'd seen. You could run like crazy and chase someone down a hallway, up a staircase, and the footage still looked fantastic. Now, of course, in films like The Bourne Identity, where they decide to do this crazy shaky cam business, I don't like it. I don't think it works. I think it removes the viewer from the action, and I think the directors shouldn't go down that path. I think there's better ways of letting us know what's the intensity of running, what's the intensity of moving. So I love a steady cam, and here we are today, 2018. This was announced and released, and this is a handheld steady cam for under $1,000, and it was actually on special when I bought it, which was really lucky. It was on my Christmas list and it went on sale about a week before Christmas. It's extraordinarily affordable. Anyway, let's open this box. Firstly, as DJI often do, the box can be used as a carry case until you get yourself something better. But in here is this molded foam case. That's interesting. There's something stuck at the bottom of this box here. I don't know if you can see it on camera B. Also, I went for this dappled light. I thought it might be interesting. Outside dappled light might be the worst decision I've ever made. And if you don't like it, please be sure to let me know that you don't like the dappled light look. But for some reason they've put, I suppose, the manual in the bottom of the box. They're rightly thinking, once you know how to use it, you don't really need the quick start guide, disclaimer, and what's in the box. Now, rather than reading what's in the box, we're going to go through what's in the box. Okay, so here's the case. Ronin S, love it. Looks amazing. Look at that. Oh my God, gorgeous. And let's crack this beastie open. Just like my Phantom 4. There it is. That is what's in the box. So we have a charger. Australian, of course, Australian plug, USB. Oh, this thing is serious. Stores cables. We've got USB to USB-C, fantastic. I think the Ronin S is USB-C. Now that's the future. Anyone who doesn't do C from now on is really getting it wrong. This in here is the cables that go from the Ronin S to various cameras. Cool. And then a place to store memory cards, and then all the different plates and fittings and fixtures that you need, and a plate. Bits. Love it. This is proper hardware. And some hex keys or Allen keys for tightening everything up. Next, we're going to pull out the little tripod mount. Wow, wow. Yeah, this feels outstanding. Outstanding. So this is both a foot and an extender. That's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Now get the main head unit out, which seems to have some Velcro. Wow. Well, that is a very serious piece of hardware. My goodness, that feels absolutely like the real deal. Absolutely outstanding. X, Y, and Z axes. Whew. Look at that controller. Outstanding. The plate, which does look a lot like a Manfrotto plate, but it's not, I believe. And the grip, wrapped in plastic. This is both the grip and the battery is in there as well. Wow, this is absolutely stunning hardware in the hand. Stunning. There we go. Press. So this is the Ronin S, a stabilized, mechanically stabilized gimbal, which will give us absolutely Hollywood level stabilization. It's built in a product sub $1,000. It's absolutely beautifully manufactured. You know, really, this is just ridiculously good feeling in the hand. And of course, we can assemble it all like so. And there it is. Outstanding. Unbelievably outstanding unit. Well, that's the Ronin S. Simple unboxing. I will shoot a little bit of footage before I edit this together, but we can just see how stable this thing is. But I'm blown away by the quality. It has very considerable heft to it, but that goes without saying and was expected because it's all metal. Absolutely gorgeous. So the key will be, how strong are you? Wow, yeah. I'm blown away by the quality of that. So if you like the idea of Hollywood level stabilization for your cameras, and we've seen Reds on this, we've seen all sorts of different cameras mounted on this unit. It's now in everybody's hands, just like DJI has put aerial photography into everybody's hands by bringing that to a price point available to anybody. So pumped, can't wait to get this together with the Z7, which we're shooting on this, and we'll do some running and gunning. So thank you so much for watching this little unboxing of the Ronin S. I'm super excited about it. This is a ridiculous piece of hardware. Can't wait to do some hyperlapsing, and look forward to seeing you very soon. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, season's greetings. Please like, please share, please subscribe. See you soon.